If Albert isn't sending your two-factor authentication code, the problem is usually tied to your phone number, your mobile carrier, or a temporary delay in the app's verification system rather than your account itself. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to get your Albert verification code and sign back into your account. Start by confirming your phone can receive regular text messages. Send yourself a text from another phone, or ask someone to message you. If SMS messages aren't arriving at all, the issue is likely with your mobile service instead of Albert. Restore your cellular connection before requesting another verification code. If your phone is receiving text normally, verify that you're using the same phone number that's registered on your Albert account. A verification code will only be sent to the number already associated with your profile. Next, avoid requesting codes repeatedly. Every new request can invalidate the previous code. If you've tapped send code several times, wait a few minutes before requesting another one. Then use only the most recent code that arrives. Now, check your device. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This reconnects your phone to your carrier's network and can resolve temporary SMS delivery problems. If that doesn't work, restart your phone completely before requesting another code. Make sure you're also running the latest version of the Albert app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, check for updates, and install the newest version if one is available. App updates often include fixes for login and authentication issues. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it temporarily before signing in. While SMS messages don't rely on your internet connection, VPNs can occasionally interfere with app authentication requests or security checks. Also verify that your device is set to receive messages normally. Check that you haven't accidentally blocked short code messages or enabled settings that filter unknown text through your messaging app or your mobile carrier. If none of these steps work, the issue may be on Albert's side. Temporary maintenance or service interruptions can delay authentication messages, even when everything on your phone is working correctly. Waiting a short time before trying again is often the best option. If you're still not receiving verification codes, contact Albert support through the app or the official support channels. They can confirm whether your registered phone number is correct and help identify why the authentication messages aren't being delivered. To recap, confirm your phone number. Make sure SMS messages are working, avoid requesting multiple codes, update the app, and contact Albert support if the problem continues. If this guide helped you fix your Albert login issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and quick fixes.